So in this video I'm going to tell you the best WordPress theme and the top 3 most popular WordPress themes which is currently used right now. And also I'm going to tell you that which ones are one of my favorite ones. So guys, before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online business, so please consider subscribing. So let's begin. So the most popular and the best WordPress theme, and which comes on number 3, is the Flatsum theme. I've used it myself. So for specifically for this website, guys, I've used Flatsum for a really long time, and if you are into e-commerce, this is one of the best WooCommerce compatible WordPress theme. If you look over here, I would see, let's browse some templates. So I've already used it on my client's website. I can show that website as well as an example. It is really responsive, and if you have an e-commerce website, or if you're selling something online, this Flatsum theme is one of the best WooCommerce themes, so you could start selling. And really the one thing which I like about it is the shop feature. As you could see, a cart button on top, and it's really easy to customize and showcase your products. So also one more thing I've used it for is for one of my clients' website, as you could see over here. So this is, so she's an actor in India, so I made her this website, and it's really easy. She has her own portfolio, she has her own about page just to showcase her design and everything. So I've used this Flatsum theme over here. Currently this is the Flatsum theme. So I think so it's I made it long back. So this is one theme, and then the second which comes up to the most popular and the best WordPress theme is Astra. So guys, Astra theme is free, so I'm just going to show it to you. Currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. It's really easy to use. I have a 70% discount on this, okay, and I think so there's a sale going on as well. So if you click down below in my description, you can get a discount on this. It's really easy and the best web hosting for WordPress, and I would suggest that whatever web hosting you have, leave all that and come to Bluehost. A little expensive, but then in return you get the speed, the security, and the safety. So I'm just going to click on my sites, and so I've built this with Astra. So log into WordPress. I'm just going to log in to WordPress, okay, and on top of that, you don't even have to remember any passwords for any WordPress. That's the best thing, because I tend to forget a lot of passwords. So yeah, so number 3 on the list is Astra. So I think so this is the Astra theme I've installed for a demo video. So yeah, so this is the Astra theme, and I've used Elementor as a page builder to edit it. So it's really easy, clean design, and it has a pro version as well. So remember, it's not free. Any of these websites are not free. Those are paid websites. So make sure that it's not free websites. So it's really easy. I can edit with Elementor. I can add, drop, duplicate. You do a lot of things over here with Elementor. I can show you some features for the Astra. So this is one sample website I created for my video for a hair salon, and just a sample website. So this is it. So let's go back to Astra right now. Exit dashboard. So let's go on Astra options. So you can upload a logo for this is the free version right now. You can upload a logo, you can customize font. So let's upload a logo. So ease of use is really good. It's very simple and very understandable to use. So as you could see over here, more options available on the paid version, but this is how it is. But I really love it. You should try it. It's for free. You could just install it and play on your hands. And number 3 on my list is Divi theme, guys. Divi theme is one of the best WordPress themes. Okay, I have a 20% discount. You could go over there and get 20% off. So I think so there's a Cyber Monday sale going on. Yesterday or day before yesterday was Black Friday. So at this time of the month, on Black Friday I was making this video. So today is Cyber Monday, so now you could get a 20% discount. The link is down below. And currently, so this is the Divi theme. For me, Divi theme is much more easier to use. So I think so I'll just show you the Divi theme right now. So here it is. I'm right now into one of my demo sites again. So this is the Divi theme. They have pre-made layouts, and I have a 20% discount on this. So it's very easy. You can just enable visual builder. Once this is loaded, if you want, you could add something over here. If I want to add something, just add regular. You can add this thing. If I want to add these columns, then there are a lot of things. I can add audio, I can add blog, I can add each and everything. So it's really easy, and there are pre-made layouts as well. So if I want to download, if I want to add a layout, I could just click on pre-made layouts. So they have a lot of layouts, and in fact they have a lot of pages as well. So as you could see, this is the agency landing page, this is the blog page, this is the pricing page. So there are a lot of pre-made layouts. So let's say if you're in technology, if you have a technology blog, so you can just click over here, select, so, and then SEO agency, cryptocurrency, there are a lot of things over here, so you could just figure out. If I write blog, so yeah, this is a blog page, looks really good. I think so I'm gonna use this on my website right now because it looks really good. About page, home page. So I would suggest that I would go with Divi theme comes number 1, and that's it guys. I have a 20% discount on this. I would put everything in the description, the link for all the themes. And that's it guys. So the top 3 are, from the bottom it's Flatsum, then Astra, and then comes Divi theme, and they all are paid theme guys. And also remember, never go for a free theme. In the beginning it's fine, but free theme comes for a cost. They are not updated, they are prone to security, they are prone to errors. So make sure invest a little bit amount of money and get a good theme. And for me, I always use Divi theme, because the best feature about Divi theme is they give you plugins as well, so you could use. So these are their products. So they have Divi, they have Extra, they have Bloom. This is the email or opt-in plugin. They have the social sharing plugin, one of the most important plugins if you're running a blog. And just for, I have a 20% discount. So if I go on pricings, so they have a Cyber Monday sale, they have a 25% off. So this won't last long, I think so it's only for today. So 187 and lifetime access. I know it's a lot, but then once you purchase this and if you start earning money, because for me, I purchased this and then I made websites for other people as well, and within 2-3 websites I recovered the money. In fact, I got more profit. So you could do the same as well. And I hope you really liked the video. That's it for today. And as a free bonus, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. It's a really good course. If you know how to create a WordPress website, that's fine, but this course will give you the insights on how you could start making more money out of it. So the link is down below, and I would see you in the next video. And if you found this really valuable, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.